Depressed, frustrated, sad, confused. You want answer. Let's talk. Give me a message sa page ko sa Philippine Dating Coach and you can have one-on-one coaching with Coach Baze, your dating coach. Just please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button.
Let's all be honest. It hurts, isn't it? I know that it hurts. And what you are trying to do is just to try to hide this feeling, trying to deny it. But at the same time, hindi mo kinaya hanggang inadmit mo rin na sobrang sakit pala kapag iniwan ka ng ex at dinamp ka niya. And now what you are trying to do is just to settle down with these things at gusto mong i-fix lahat ng trouble na nangyari. And I'm here to help you para sa solid na ganti na pwede mong ibigay sa ex mo. As in solid, yun talagang masusolid siya because of what you are going to do. It will surprise your ex. But I just want you to watch the video and to finish it. Kasi nasa dulo yung pinaka-hint kung paano mo ito magagawa ng tama. Okay? So, there you go. The first thing that I want to talk about is, first of all, thank you sa paghihintay. Medyo matagal ako nawala. It's been 11 days. So, sobrang busy natin, and kakabalik lang natin. The first thing that I want you to do, kung gusto mong masolid sa paggantay ang ex mo, simpleng step lang naman ang gawin mo. Una sa lahat, huwag mong i-validate yung feelings niya. Yung expectation niya na mahal mo siya is huwag mong ipamit sa kanya. Para wala siyang pride na isampal sa mukha mo na talagang humahabol ka talaga. Huwag kang magtanga-tangahan, magbulag-bulagan. And maybe this is the time or the right time to activate your pride. Kasi yan yung bagay na hindi mo ma-activate. And that is the thing. You're so weak, you're so lame, you're so soft. To the point na parang miss na miss mo ang ex mo araw-araw. Parang gusto mo na lang is magkaroon ng lubid sa leeg mo dahil hindi ka na mabubuhay ng tama dahil wala siya. And I want you to wake up your pride. Ang ibig ko lang sabihin, gaya nga nasabi ko sa mga clients ko, di ba? Kung July 25, 2024 ngayon, at feeling mo ito na ang katapusan ng mundo, well, nagkakamali ka. Dahil after 10 minutes, tapos na yung video na to, may bago ka na namang natutunan. And then, the thing is, July 26 na bukas. At pagka July 26 na bukas, the thing is, July 27 na bukas. After ilang weeks, 1 month na. After ilang months, 1 year na. After ilang years, dekada na. I'm not saying na yun na yung panahon. What I'm just saying is, bakit ka magiging limited-minded right now na magi-hysterical ka na para kang nakulong sa elevator? Kung ang elevator umaakit, bumababa naman. Hindi naman porke pumasok ka sa elevator, hindi ka nalalabas, di ba? But let us admit it. Every time na papasok ka sa elevator, you will become a prisoner in that place. Kasi kahit anong gawin mo, magpumiglas ka man, hindi ka makakalabas sa elevator unless makadating siya doon sa pinaka-stage na gusto niyang puntahan. And that's the same thing that you are experiencing right now. Kung na-experience mo na bombarded ka ng thought ng ex mo, then it is just for now. It's not forever, okay? It's not for lifetime. Meron pang July 26, meron pang August 1, meron pang December 1, meron pang 2025, 2026. I don't know if they are the same stories, but don't let this one affect you. Just do not meet the expectation of your ex. Huwag mong ipamukha sa ex mo na wala kang maipapamukha sa kanya. Okay? And the second thing that you need to do is, of course, generic advice, but really healthy, really helpful. Alam nyo sa mga ganito, kapag nanonood kayo ng mga ex videos, kunin nyo yung generic advice na nagtuturo. Huwag yung masyadong laliman. Kunin nyo lang yung generic advice. Ano ba yung generic advice ko? Self-improvement. That's it. Kapag meron kang self-improvement, that is really generic advice. But I believe this is what you need and this is what you want. This is so generic. But I believe itong generic advice na to, this is the best advice that I can give to you. Ang mahirap kasi sa inyo, masyado yung ginagawang entertainment yung YouTube channel ko to the point na parang pinapanood nyo lang siya para ma-entertain kayo. But I will be honest with you guys. My advice is not just all about entertainment, that you are being entertained by my videos because it's funny, it's humorous, or it's lesson learning, it's inspiring, it's motivating. It's kind of good video to me. Kung laging ganyan yung mindset ninyo, then this video is just useless, nonsense. Ginagawa niyong clown. You are disrespecting my video. You are just saying to my video na you're just a clown. You're just here to entertain us. And that's disrespectful. I mean, my videos are not intended just to entertain you. My videos are intended to change you, to give you the strategy that you need. So, my video deserves to be applied in your life. I hate it when someone is not applying my videos. I hate it when someone is just ignoring my advice. Pero na-entertain sila, yeah, given that fact, okay, there you go, you got the entertainment. But that's not my point eh. My very point of view is, you are entertained, but how about learning from it, diba? That's the big deal eh. Sa mga ganitong mga advice, or kahit sino ba mapanood yung YouTuber or gurus ng dating coach or breakup coach na nagtuturo, always look at the basic advice and apply it. Kapag sinabi niyang be happy, then that's just so basic. It doesn't require you to become so much that kind of really good in philosophy just to understand how to be happy, right? And it doesn't require you too much understanding of philosophy in order for you to understand what is the meaning of self-improvement. Just be it. Okay? It is what it is. One word is enough. Do not be fooled. Wag kang tanga. One word is enough for you. And number 3, the best revenge that you can go ahead and do against your ex is, it is just actually so simple. Huwag mong balikan. Yun lang. Huwag mong balikan, please lang. Hindi ko na kailangan i-elaborate, hindi ko na kailangan paliwanag. Talagang nagmamahal ka eh. Paano ko nasabi nagmamahal ka? Paano ka nag-end up sa mga videos ko kung hindi mo siya minahal? Paano ka nag-end up sa mga advices ko kung hindi mo siya minahal? Why are you watching this video right now if you really don't give a shit? Because if you don't give a shit to your ex, then you are not going to watch any kind of videos or teaching here. The best revenge that you can do para masolid ang ex is huwag mo siyang balikan. And last but not the least, palitan mo siya. Ipagpalit mo siya sa iba. I know you're not ready na magrelasyon. I understand. Nothing to worry about that one. I'm not saying na agad-agad magrelasyon ka na. That's not my advice as well. What I'm just simply saying is, at least man lang kung magrelasyon ka, huwag na siya. Piliin mo na ang sarili mo, piliin mo na mabuhay nang wala siya. That is the best revenge that you can do. Ang mahirap kasi sa inyo, hindi kayo satisfied sa ganyang revenge. Gusto nyo yung masaktan talaga siya. Wala ka bang tiwala sa sarili mo? Alam mo ba na napaka-valuable mong tao dahil alam mong nagmahal ka? Isama mo pa yung mga teachings ko. Be confident with yourself. Do not call yourself as non-realistic person. No, this is the realistic approach here. You are so valuable. You are watching my videos, you're trying your best, you're striving for greatness. Doon pa lang panalo na eh. So, doon sa buhay niya na wala ka sa buhay niya, mabubuhay siya daily na wala ka sa life niya. Big deal na yun. Bandang hula siyang nawalan, hindi ikaw. So, yun ang pinaka-the best na solid na ganti na magagawa mo sa kanya. Be selfish. Ipagdamot mo ang sarili mo sa kanya. But of course, baka may chance pa ang relationship. If you want to know that, give us a message, Philippine Dating Coach, and we can have one-on-one coaching for that. Thanks for watching.